Hello guys, welcome once again to a new video. Today we are working on this NESPRESSO CITIZ machine, which had better days and now doesn't want to work anymore, so water is not going anywhere from the water tank. And maybe I can show you this. So the pump is working, but yeah, that's it. No water coming from this side. So yeah, let's disconnect this. So I will open up this unit, see what's going on with it, clean it a little bit, and see if we can manage to make it work. Okay, so the unit is a Turmix model TX170 CITIZ. So we have finally removed the screws. Now we only have to push this bottom side a little bit on the outside, and then we have access to the side parts. Then with a little bit of force just pry them, or use a prying tool, insert it here and go ahead. Each side at a time, like this. And one side it's out, and do the same on the other side. Oh, this is again a stubborn one. These Nespresso machines always are really hard to disassemble. Once you do it, then it's simple enough. Holy shit! What's going on here? Okay. And also on the other side, just force it a little bit. And it's removed. Okay. Then we have two hooks here. One on this side and one here. Then just keep it up and then unsnap also this side like this. And now you have removed the back side. Also the upper console has to be removed like this. Here you have two buttons, the power, the other one, and then I think you can remove this upper piece like this. Here the entire brewing system is held in place with 4 screws, 2 here and 2 here. These are T9 torque bits. Okay, let's also remove the front piece, which of course will have a lot of coffee clogged from time. To remove this part without ripping it off, you have here one clip, and on the other side, of course, just insert a screwdriver and pry it off. See here, this has to be cleaned. And of course, now the brewing mechanism, it's only held in place with the hose, the water hose. But you can also remove this entire brewing mechanism with a small screwdriver. There is a retainer here. Remove this retainer. Don't lose it, like I did several times. Then you can remove this hose. Then next step will be, let's see if you can see how much coffee it's clogged here and also inside of this part here. So let me open it again, insert a screwdriver here, just force it a little bit, and look how disgusting this is here. Okay, so I will go to the sink to clean this up. Of course, we can also remove this how is it called, diffuser plate. And also what we can do is remove this part here and change the O-ring. So in order to remove this, we have to pry this out over here and also over here. This is real solid plastic, so careful when you do this to not rip it off completely. It's so difficult to remove and also stay in front of the camera. Okay, so now it's out. And here you see there is a O-ring that seals, and this has to be changed. Okay, so I will go clean this up and then come back to reassemble. Okay, so we've cleaned all these parts. Now everything looks nicer and cleaner. We still have to remove this diffuser plate here to be cleaned. For this we have to insert here a simple screwdriver, and then this piece will come out. It's still a little bit dirty. Let's do it. Okay, better now. Then use the small needle, this one, and puncture every single hole here. These small holes are getting clogged over time with coffee. Okay, so manage all of them. Let's put it back with the breaded side outside. So first we need to insert it like this. So this side first, here, and then when it's in place, just push it and you will hear a click. Like that. Now you know it's secured. Okay, this is also clean. You can put it back like this. And then we changed the O-ring here. So this O-ring, it's new. You can find this dimensional O-ring in any hardware store, so it's not something special. Let's put it back inside. Let's put it first, the upper side. Hopefully we can click. Let's see, secured upper side and also secured here. Okay, so the brewing mechanism is finalized. Let's also clean here a little bit the unit. In my opinion, these machines are somehow easy to repair. Only the only problem being the disassembly. They are a little bit stubborn on the disassembly side. Okay, let's reassemble. We have to put here again the hose. Let's not forget about the retainer clip. Okay, now it's in place. Let's put back the screws. Here. Okay. Another one here. Okay. And another one over here. Good. Then we can put back this part. Clips inside with these two clips, one here and one here. Then the upper piece, this upper piece, we can clean it a little bit. Okay, first we insert it here, glide it, slide it in place, and then these hooks, just push them one side and then also on the other side till it clicks. Then we can put back this here, the cables through here, insert the pins in their area and just push it in like this. Clean it a little bit. This is isopropyl alcohol, so don't worry, it will not damage any electronics. So yeah, everything is put in place. Tuck away the cables, and we can put back the side covers. This can be cleaned afterwards, no problem. So first this part here, just push it in until it clicks. You have to remove the base a little bit. And then the other side. Remove a little bit the base. Like this. The upper part first. That only needs to click, and then the final part would be the base. Like this. Good. Then let's put back the screws. I found different screws. I will not use anymore that oval shape ones. Instead I will use Torx or any other screws that fit. This will make my life easier when I want to reopen the unit. Okay, so the unit, it's completely assembled again. Let's test and see if it works. So yeah, we have the unit fully assembled. We have some water in the water tank. Let's see if now it will pour water. Yes, we have hot water. And as you can see, no water here inside the capsule tray. It's completely dry. So looks like the changing of the O-ring was a real success. So now what I need to do is to clean it a little bit outside, and yeah, I think we have a fully working unit. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found something useful on it. If yes, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. So thank you. Bye bye.